Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 20 by 20 inch commission for my cousin. She chose the colors that I am using today, so I custom made a phthalo blue, a yellow, and 24 karat gold, which is also mixed with metallic gold and gold by Artzea. I'm going to layer my cup with white in between each layer because I don't want to create any green from the blue and the yellow mixing. And the yellow is a little thin because when I just poured it, it kind of sunk to the bottom. And that just tells me that it's thinner than all the other paints that I'm using. Since the yellow is a little thinner, I will make my layers uneven so I don't get any unwanted mixing, which is why I am going to use up all of the white that I have so that I can separate each layer of color with a layer of white. But so far so good, other than the yellow sinking to the bottom. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this acrylic painting, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. I love how calming it looks. And this is just custom blue, white, a custom like mustard yellow, and 24 karat gold. This strip here in the center, sort of, is just my custom gold there. And that's the yellow with the white and the 24 karat gold. I wish I would have got more sales, but I couldn't leave the paint sitting in the cup for a long time because I didn't want to create green, and I fully succeeded in doing that. I just added white in between each layer. Just wish I got a little bit more sales. There are a few popping up here as the paint continues to rise, but there is a lot of air bubbles in this one. Yeah, so I'm not gonna use the hot air gun anymore. I think that is it. And yeah, this is my custom commission, so I will send it to my cousin and let you guys know what she thinks, and I'll also show you the dry results in the next video. My next video will probably be another commission or something else. Not sure. Here is the semi-dry results. It is still wet, as you can see here on the left side. It's still damp there, but this side looks pretty dry. I showed it to my cousin and she really likes it. I just told her that I'm gonna do another one because I wanted to create more sales and like more finger lengths, just a little squiggly lines that you get when you do straight pours. I did get some gold cells popping up through there. That's because I did puddle a little bit of gold at the bottom. But I'm gonna do another one. She really likes this one, and then she can decide which one she likes best.